What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be answering the most asked questions about the new ZTE Blade Max View. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first question we have right here is, does this have USB Type-C? As you guys can go ahead and take a look at the bottom, this does have USB Type-C. Next question we have is, does this have fast charging? So yeah, this actually has quick charging 2.0, and in my experience, it's been charging pretty fast. Next question I had is this phone available, as well as how much does it cost? So yes, this phone is available right now. I will leave the link in the description down below, as well as the first link in the comments. So I'm going to go ahead and pin it. This is $199.98 with free shipping. So yes, it's available right now. Go ahead and check the link. Next question I had a lot is Metro by T-Mobile getting this device? And in my opinion, I don't think that's going to happen, but this is an unlocked device. So all you have to do is purchase this phone, obviously through the link, and you can go ahead and activate Metro PCS on this. So you just have to call into the 1-800 Metro PCS number. You can go ahead and activate it. Metro PCS should work just fine on here. Next thing is, does this have Wi-Fi calling for Metro PCS and T-Mobile? Yes, this does offer Wi-Fi calling for T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile. Just know that if you guys want Wi-Fi calling, it's totally on here. Next question I had a lot is, what type of processor is inside of here? So this does have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 processor. In my last video, I actually said this was a 1.1 gigahertz, but there was a typo right there. It's actually 1.4 gigahertz. So this is a 1.4 gigahertz processor. Another question I've been having a lot is, how many gigabytes of RAM are inside of this? So there are 3 gigabytes of RAM inside of this, and a lot of people have been asking and saying, they've been like, yo, you know, I have my other phone and it says it has 2 gigabytes of RAM or 3 gigabytes of RAM, but it's only running at 0.9 or 1 gigabyte of RAM. But the awesome thing about this device, it is the total memory is running at 2.8. So that's really, really good for a device. I've been using other devices that have been like 1.4, 1.5, so that's really, really nice to see. Next thing I've been getting a lot is the screen good? I don't know if the screen good's blah, 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 blah. Yes, the screen is probably the most beautiful screen I've seen on a budget phone so far. Great viewing angles. Obviously, brightness is actually pretty bright. It's a pretty bright device, but the viewing angles are beautiful. This TFT panel is absolutely amazing. I would even go as far as saying it's better than the LG Silo 4. No, a lot of people get mad at that, but it's better than the LG Silo 4. I just have to tell how it is. Next question we had a lot is, what is the zoom on this camera? So this actually goes up to 4x zoom, as you guys can see right there. So 4x zoom is your answer. Next question I had a lot is, what current OS is this running right now? So if we go ahead and go to this, it says we're running Android 7.1.1. But the great thing about this is we are going to be getting Android 8.0. So we're getting 8.0 or 8.1, I'm not sure, before December ends. So if you guys are going to pick this phone up pretty soon, just know that it's going to be about a month's wait for the software update, but it's really awesome to see that ZTE is paying money to actually put out these software updates. Next question I had a lot is, does this have a notification light? So yes, it does have a notification light. So let's go ahead and plug this in really quick. So if we see top right corner, we get that notification light, so it's orange right there. But yeah, this does have a notification light on the top right corner. Next question is, what is the form factor like? How is the build? What it is made out of? So sides are actually made out of aluminum, and it feels very, very premium. Obviously, we have Corning Gorilla Glass on this device, and the back is rubber, which I absolutely love. It hasn't fell off my hand yet, and it's been super, super comfortable. Also, this is an 18:9 aspect ratio, so it's a pretty long phone. Actually, obviously 6-inch screen, as I said before, but it's been awesome so far. It's been really, really nice. Now, the last question I want to go over really quick, which is probably the best thing on this phone, or about this phone, in my opinion, just because like I'm a video head and a music head, and I love consuming media, and if I don't have good speakers, the phone kind of turns me off. But these speakers on this device, these speakers are probably the best speakers I've ever had on a budget device. So let me go ahead and show you the setup of this speaker. So we do have a speaker at the bottom, always. You guys know it's pretty much right there, always. And the thing is, this is stereo speakers, so the headset is going to be used as a speaker when not in use. So it's a very, very awesome setup right here. So we do have stereo surround sound audio on here, which is really, really nice. Also, this was tuned by Dolby DS1, so we we have Dolby DS1 audio inside this. Obviously, we have the Dolby audio application right here. One of my favorite things to do as well, if you guys want to actually turn up the volume all the way, as you guys see if we're on music and gaming, it pretty much stays the same right here. But if we go ahead and make a custom file, so we'll go ahead and click on that. We'll go ahead and click on volume leveler. We'll click on dialogue enhancer and a surround virtualizer. And what we're going to go ahead and do is put these all the way up. So we're going to put them all the way up. As you guys know, this was on, I think, the Z Max Pro and the Blade Z Max. Have it on manual right there. We can go ahead and leave this. And guys, this speaker sounds amazing. Like when you guys get this phone, or if you guys get this phone, it's going to sound amazing. Just trust me on this one, guys. Definitely trust me on this one. This speaker is an absolute beast. Definitely the best speaker as far as budget phones go. But yeah, speaker is definitely one of the best I have ever heard in my entire life. So if you guys are media heads and like to, you know, watch videos with the speakers that are already on here, you guys are going to have a very, very good experience with this. But yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and check out this phone and the phone's price, I will put the link in the description down below, as well as the first comment. And also, if you guys have a ZTE device that you need help with, I am active in the Z community, so I'll put that link in the description down below. Those folks actually sent out the Blade Max US and the Blade Max View out, so definitely a huge shout out to them. So if you guys want to go ahead and follow their community, keep up to date with the newest ZTE devices and software updates, definitely go ahead and visit their site. But yeah, guys, I hope I answered a lot of your questions. If you do have another question, definitely leave in the comments down below so I can go ahead and answer that for you. Without further ado, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.